5th winner of this Renopedia lucky draw. I came about this Renopedia platform from Facebook. ID is Seed Lifestyle from Renopedia, and they are offering free consultation, free quotation, and also free 3D drawing for me to consider. Amount I will use it for shopping for my family. I recommend Renopedia to all those homeowners who are looking to renovate their new house, because Renopedia offer a wide range of interior designer to all the homeowners for them to choose. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.